Good morning, Sonia Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I just want to show you our new HydraForce modular stainless steel aluminum. This profile, I like it because it adjusts. Jose and Elsa installed this and it goes really far from the wall of our car. We put some paper. It's not paper, is the rack from Rubbermaid that is to dry wet floors, spills. You can see it in Publix and any other stores. So I put this. It looks really good. We have to take care of this. They already give us the van. We install this shelving. Better quality, looks more professional. It's the Gladiator shelving. We are gonna put our ceiling, our air movers for carpet cleaning. We bought this in Home Depot. There's some scarf, PPA, mask, glove, protection. All our wands are on the ceiling. This is the rack that we install, so Sonia will have more access on the ceiling and she can store all our HydraForce SX12 easy to maneuver. So it's looking great. We put another shelving here, more plastic containers. So we put the vacuum tools, the sliders. That is everything about pressure washing. Sponges, cloth, our Victory Innovation electrostatic sprayer here, our Vaporex restoration vapor machine. Sonia right now is trying to minimize our toolbox. Jose and Elsa install the new flooring, stainless steel, so we can protect the floor. When I bought the car, Jose and Elsa from Infinity Machine Repair, she did the Raptor Glide floor cover. It looks great. It saved my floor for 3 years. But now we decide to invest a little bit more in stainless steel. This area is rusty for the product, for the water, so I'm gonna take care that in the following 2 more weeks. It's looking great and more professional for us. Here they install this shelf for our cleaning products. This is the concentrate Ecolab cleaning products that we use for residential and some commercial. So you are gonna know more about us in the following weeks, why we didn't record in the past month, because we were in vacation. We went in vacation in December to Colombia, and then we went last month to Peru. Maybe I'm gonna put some photos and edit something really good for you, not about cleaning but for us, so you can see how Colombia is and how Peru is. We went to Machu Picchu, we rest, and we didn't have anything new, anything excited for you, so that's the reason why we didn't record. We always record when we have something to show you. Thank you for watching. Fiorella Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. Back into the storage. This is the Rubbermaid wet floor cloth that we put in this area of the shelf. This is our previous shelving. We have some rust, so we fix it, and this is more bulky for us, so we decided to buy the new HydraForce model storage unit inside the car for all our cleaning products. So we're gonna keep this unit in the garage, and we are organizing, preventing more rust with this cloth. Thank you for watching. Bye.